Nicole, where are you?
I'm hiding behind the Armco barrier. I always had this thought that if there's a robbery on the highways, can you get out of your car and actually hide between the Armco barrier? Will you be safe?
Let's shoot one.
I'm actually very disappointed. This barrier can stop a speeding car, but not a speeding 9mm round. Jaco?
Yeah, I'm also quite disappointed, but it's quite clear. If you need protection, buy SVI armored vehicle.